Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Chera Nabila Marani with student ID A1B2230 and 52. In today's video, I would like to tell you some of the business idioms that we can use in our business or work job later. And also the example of the sentences itself and the translation to Indonesia. So let's just get started. So the first one is ballpark figure. Ballpark figure. The example of the sentence of ballpark figure is give me a ballpark figure. And the translation is berikan saya perkiraan tersebut. And the second one is get the ball rolling. The example of the sentences itself is we need to get the ball rolling. And the translation itself is kita perlu mulai sekarang juga. Next is gives us the green light. The example is we can't start until the boss gives us the green light. The translation itself is kita tidak bisa mulai sampai bos memberi izin. Next is to think outside of the box. So this example is to solve this complex problem, we'll have to think outside of the box. And the translation is, untuk menyelesaikan masalah kompleks ini, kamu harus berpikir kreatif. Next is cutting edge. The example of the sentences is, I like to stay updated on the latest cutting edge developments in this industry. And the translation is, saya suka mengikuti perkembangan terbaru dalam industri ini. Next is to go the extra mile. The example of the sentence itself is, she always goes the extra mile to provide exceptional customer service. And the translation is, dia selalu berusaha untuk lebih memberikan layanan pelanggan yang luar biasa. Next is to cross the T's and to dot the E's. So the sentences is before submitting the contract, the legal team crossed the T's and dot the E's to ensure there were no errors. Sebelum mengirim kontrak, tim hukum memeriksa semuanya dengan sangat teliti untuk memastikan tidak ada kesalahan. And the next is the elephant in the room. The example of the sentence itself is, during the meeting, no one addressed the elephant in the room, the CEO's involvement in the scandal. The translation is, selama rapat tidak ada yang membahas masalah utama, yaitu keterlibatan atas CEO dalam skandal. The next is to hit the nail on the head. The example is your analysis of the market trends really hit the nail on the head. And the translation is analisis kamu tentang tren pasar sangat tepat. Next is to cover all the bases. And the example is our procedures cover all the bases to ensure the safety of our employees. And the translation itself is prosedur kami mencakup semua hal penting untuk memastikan keselamatan karyawan. The next is to play it by ear. The example is, we don't have specific travel plans, we're just playing it by ear. The translation is, kami tidak punya rencana perjalanan yang pasti, kami akan menyelesaikan situasi tersebut. Next is to play catch up. The example of the sentence is, after falling behind schedule, the team is now playing catch up to meet the deadline. The translation is, setelah tertinggal jadwal, tim sekarang berusaha mengejar ketertinggalan agar memenuhi tenggat waktu. Next is to put out fires. The example of the sentence is, I can't get any work done. I spend most of my time putting out fires. The translation is, saya tidak bisa menyelesaikan pekerjaan apapun karena sebagian besar waktu saya habis untuk menangani masalah mendesak. And the next sentence and the next idioms is to get the green light. The example of the idioms itself is the marketing campaign received the green light from the client and now we can launch it. And the translation is kampanye pemasaran mendapat persetujuan dari klien dan sekarang kita bisa meluncurkannya. Next is up in the air. The example of the sentence itself is our plans are up in the air. The translation itself is rencana kami masih belum pasti. Next is to go down on the rabbit hole. The example of the sentence itself is, while researching a topic online, I often find myself going down the rabbit hole of related articles and videos. The translation is, saat meneliti topik online, saya sering terjebak menjelajahi banyak artikel dan video terkait tanpa henti. The next idioms is low-hanging fruit. The example is, to increase sales, let's focus on picking the low-hanging fruit by targeting existing customers. And the translation is, untuk meningkatkan penjualan, mari fokus pada peluang yang paling mudah dengan menargetkan pelanggan yang sudah ada. The next idiom is, to get the X. And the example of the sentences itself is, several employees got the axe due to budget cuts. And the translation itself is, beberapa karyawan diberhentikan karena pemotongan anggaran. Next is to drop the ball. The example of the sentences itself is, he dropped the ball on the project by missing the deadline. And the translation itself is, dia melakukan kesalahan besar dalam proyek karena melewatkan tenggat waktu. Next is, I have on my plate. And the example of the sentences itself is, as a small business owner, he constantly has a lot of his plate, from managing employees to dealing with the customers. And the translation itself is, sebagai pemilik usaha kecil, dia selalu memiliki banyak tanggung jawab. Next is to cut corners. And the example of the sentences itself is, the quality isn't as good as it used to be. They're cutting corners to try to save money. And the translation itself is, kualitasnya tidak sebaik dulu, mereka mengurangi standar untuk menghemat biaya. Next is the big picture. The example is, he understood the details but he missed the big picture. And the translation is, dia memahami detailnya tetapi tidak melihat gambaran besarnya. Next is going forward. The example of the sentences itself is, going forward, let's make the most to improve our communication. And the translation is, kedepannya mari kita berusaha meningkatkan komunikasi. Next is, and should be the last, is to pull the trigger. And the example of the sentences itself is, it's time to pull the trigger on launching the new product. The market is ready for it. And the translation itself is, sudah waktunya untuk segera mengambil keputusan meluncurkan produk baru karena pasar sudah siap. Okay, that's all what I can give the examples, the sentences, and also the translation to Indonesia itself. Thank you so much for watching and paying attention. I'm Charana Bila Marani. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.